start on the Unit 5 review test. So if you'd like to work through this page and then come back and watch the video to check your work, that would be a great way to do it. So a photograph is 8 centimeters wide. After Carrie enlarges the photograph, it's 3 times as wide as the original. How wide is the new photograph in millimeters? Remember our lesson yesterday, we have to pay close attention to the units. So this is pretty straightforward. We're going from 8 centimeters and it's 3 times as wide. So 8 centimeters times 3 gives us 24 centimeters. Now, if I remember, King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. When I'm going from centimeters to millimeters, I'm multiplying by 1 jump or 10. So 224 times 10 gives me 240 millimeters. So 24 centimeters is equal to 240 millimeters. Okay, I'll describe the relationship between these units of time: hours, minutes, and seconds. So I know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So I could also go on to say that 1 hour would be 60 minutes, 60 seconds. So I could figure out how many seconds are in 1 hour by doing 60 times 60, right? So 1 hour, 6 times 6 is 36, and then I have 2 zeros. So 1 hour would equal 3,600 seconds. Complete the table that relates meters and centimeters. So I know from up here that my meter would be my unit, right? And to get to centimeters, I would have to do 1, 2 jumps. Every jump is times 10. So if I have 2 of them, my shortcut is 1 and 2 zeros, 1 0 for every jump. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 2 meters would be 2 times 100. That's 200 centimeters. We've already done 3 times 100, and 4 times 100 would be 400 centimeters. What is the area of the rectangle? So I remember the area, I'm going to multiply the length times the width. So I can do the shortcut method, 17 times 5, and they're both in meters, so I'm good to go there. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 85 meters squared would be my area. Classify the conversion below using times 10, times 100, or times 1,000. Okay. Write the letters of the conversion in the correct box. So I'm going to rely up here on my little cheat sheet that I wrote. Kilograms to grams. So if I'm going from kilograms to grams, how many jumps will I have? 1, 2, 3 jumps, which means I'm going to have 3 zeros. So A is going to go over here. Meters to centimeters. 1, 2 jumps, which means 2 zeros. B is going to go here. Deciliters to centiliters. 1 jump, 1 0. Hecto to deca. That's going to be here. Hecto to deca, 1 jump, 1 0. Liters to milliliters. That's going to go, liters is my unit. 1, 2, 3 jumps, 3 zeros. And last, deca to deci. That's 1, 2 jumps, 2 zeros. How'd you do?